Alright, boys and girls, buckle up, because we're about to dive into this here brute force 750. And let me tell ya, it ain't exactly feeling lively. First thing first, she ain't starting. And why is that, you ask? Weak battery. Yeah, that's right. This bad boy's got the juice of a dollar store flashlight. So we're gonna slap her on the charger, give her a bit of that electrical CPR. Now, she came in because the customer says she's making a noise that sounds like a bag of bolts in a blender. So once we juice up the battery, it's time to pop her open and get to the real fun. Could be anything from a loose bolt to a squirrel's nest up in there. Honestly, who knows? But hey, first step first, get this brute force off life support. Let's go, boys. It's wrenching time.